Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it looks as though the Yoruba people have completely abandoned any hope in the Malam Buhari regime, and they are looking now to their culture and history and their deities really for their salvation. So we have had this story once in the past, even though we did not cover it on this channel, but with this story history repeats, so now we cover it this time around. Again, lightning kills cows in Ondo. So that's the headline, and it is a headline that I'm sure you have come across before in recent weeks. So again, lightning kills 8 cows in Ondo. So now let's see how the Ondo people are fighting back. No fewer than 8 cows were reportedly killed by lightning at a mountain in Onyimo quarters, Akere Akoko, the headquarters of Akoko Northeast local government area of Ondo State, Tuesday evening. The incident happened barely a month after 36 cows were killed by lightning in Ijare town in Ifedore local government area of the state. It was gathered that the 8 cows owned by some herdsmen were struck dead whilst grazing on the mountain top. The 2 herders who accompanied the cows were said to have fled after the incident. However, a source disclosed that 5 men have been arrested by the men of the state police command for buying the dead cows from the herders. The source said, immediately after the cows were struck dead, the 2 Fulani boys that followed the cows rushed to the butchers in the town and sold the cows to them at a cheaper price. But the police got to know of it and arrested all of them. Confirming the incident, the state police public relations officer Femi Joseph said investigations had commenced on the matter. He said it was the environment officers that discovered that the Fulani boys were selling the contaminated cows to the butchers and reported to us. So about 5 butchers have been arrested and one of the herders on the matter. We will charge them to court after the completion of our investigation. The state chairman of the Miyetti Allah Cattle Breeders Association, Alhaji Garuba Bello, when contacted, said he had not been briefed about the development. His words, I have been calling there, that is the MACBAN chairman in Ikare Akoko, to know what happened, but his line has not been going through. In view of the development, the Ondo state government had suspended sale of cow meat in 4 local governments in Akoko area. The affected local government areas, the Akoko Northeast, Akoko Northwest, Akoko Southwest, and Akoko Southeast. The environmental officers in the 4 local governments announced the suspension to avoid circulation of contaminated meat to unsuspecting members of the public. The director of environmental health officers for the Akoko Northeast local government area, Mrs. Yemisi Adeniyi, who spoke on behalf of the other health officers in the areas, said the government took the decision when the information filtered that the herdsmen that owned the dead cows had invited butchers and sold the cows to them, who in turn would sell them to members of the public. So now the goings on in Ondo State once again. So now they are now using their gods and their deities now to strike down these people who have completely now taken over their land, and they have no recourse to law, of course, because these people are under the license and have fiat from Aso Rock itself, because you'd have to remember, of course, that Malam Buhari is the life president of the Miyetti Allah group and the Fulani herders in the whole of the West African sub-region. So that is why you have open borders for these Fulanis to come in from Burkina Faso, Niger Republic, etc., all the way to Ondo State to come and intimidate them. But if the Ondo State people do not have recourse to the law of the land, they have recourse to the deities that they worship. So Shokmano has been called to come and take action, and Ogun has struck, and Obatala and Ayilala and whatever. all of the deities of Yoruba land. They've just called on one of them to say, look, these silly people are coming. First remove their cows to see if they would disperse, and these people did not disperse, and they came again, and the Yorubas again called on their deity and say, okay, they remove their cows again, and these people, they are now selling all these dead cows to butchers in Ondo State, because Ondo State people, of course, are known for one thing and one thing only, their greed. They will sell their own human. I'm not even going to. They are just known for their greed. Let me just leave it at that one. So now these people have now struck these Fulani herders cows twice now. So if these Fulani herders now do not heed the warning, then we all know what the next strike from Shango and Ogun and Obatala will be. We all know where the next strike will be, and it of course will be from the lightning. So if they want to go and be fighting lightning, then they can be going and fighting lightning. But get out of Yoruba land is effectively the message that the Ondo people are sending to the Malamis. Conversations in the comment section. Shokpono has been called now to fight the battle for the Yoruba race. What says you? But before you come share thoughts, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video, and then come tell me what you are making of what Ogun and Shokpono and Yemoja are doing to fight back in Yoruba land, especially in Ondo State. Come tell me what you are making of all that in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.